Hi everyone, this is Miss Anne. It has been a week already and I have seen your enthusiasm to know the trick behind. So you know what? There are even some of you who sent me PM and asked me how did it happen, and I know they are really looking forward to this video. So as promised, today I'll be sharing to you the trick behind the mental math addition trick I have shared to you last time. Please bear with me because this video is a little bit longer compared with my previous videos because this one is an explainer video. So please watch till the end, folks. Check it out for another resource for online teaching. The mental math addition trick. How the trick works. This trick works if you have an odd number addends. When we say odd numbers, these are numbers like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Here are the things that you have to remember when you do this trick. Number 1. The third addend should always be given by you, the game master. Bear in mind that the success of this trick depends on the third addend. Again, on the third addend. Number 2. The number bands of 9 are very important here. You'll know why later. Since this is a taking turns game, you have to make sure that the digits of the numbers you give should sum up to 9. Here are the number bands of 9. Before we begin, let us identify these terms which we are going to encounter as we explain this video. Addends, digits, sum. In 7 plus 11 equals 18, the addends here are 7 and 11. In 718, the digits here are 7, 1, and 8. In 7 plus 11 equals 18, the sum here is 18. Now you're familiar with these terms. Let's begin. For 3 addends, when you have 3 addends, the start of your answer will be 1. Remember that. Your answer will start with 1. Let's say, for example, the teacher started first. Example, I give 567. Then I will call a student. He or she gives me 231. Then this is now the crucial part for me. The digits that I should give should sum up to 9. What do I mean by that? First digit that the students gave was 2. Therefore, I should think of a digit also that will sum up to 9, and that will be 7. The next digit that the student gave was 3, so therefore I will give 6. The last digit that the student gave was 1, so I will give an 8. So the number that I will give should be 768. Then the first digit of my final answer will be 1. What will be the next step? Then you have to copy the first 2 digits of the first addend. So in this case, these 2 digits are 5 and 6. I have already 3 digits of my answer. Then what will be the last digit of my answer? When you subtract the last digit of your first addend, which is 7, to 1, which is the first digit of your answer, it will definitely give you the last digit of your final answer. And that will be 6. Because 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So there you go. When you use your calculator, the sum will be 1,566. In this case, the last digit of the first addend is greater than 1, which is the first digit of your answer. So 7 is greater than 1. Why did I tell you about this? Because later on the next example, I will be giving a different rule when the last digit of the first addend is smaller than your first digit of your answer. Let's do the next. So for 5 addends, when you have 5 addends, the start of your answer will be 2. Remember that. Again, the start of your answer will be 2. So let's say, for example, teacher again started a game. Let's say I give 341. Then I will call a student to give me any 3-digit number. Then he or she gives me 682. Now this is the crucial part for the teacher. I should give first digit 3, second digit 1, third digit 7, because the digits should sum up to 9. Let's take a look. 6 plus 3, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, and 2 plus 7 is 9. Then I will call another student. Let's say, for example, he or she gives me 345. Then again, the crucial part for the teacher. So what do you think will be the digits that I should give? You're correct. It should be 6, 5, and 4. Because the digits should sum up to 9. And as what I've said earlier, the start of the answer here will be 2. Then, copy the first digit of the first addend, and that is 3. You will not copy the 2 digits of your first addend. You'll know later. In this case, 1 is lesser than 2. So we will perform it backwards. Like the normal subtraction with regrouping, 1 will borrow from 4, making it 11. 4 now becomes 3. And that becomes the third digit in our answer. When you subtract the last digit of your first addend, which now becomes 11, and 2, which is the first digit of your final answer, it will give you the last digit of your answer, and that will be 9. So in this case, the final answer is 2,339. Kindly get your calculator and check whether our answer is correct. We also want to try doing the trick with the next odd number addends. So when you have 7 addends, the start of your answer will be 3. When you have 9 addends, the start of your answer will be 4. When you have 11 addends, the start of your answer will be 5. And when you have 13 addends, the start of your answer will be 6. I have tried until 11 addends though. So it's up to you how many digits you want to ask from your students. It's just that you have to remember that when you started from 3 digits, 4 digits, or 5 digits number, you have to make sure that it will be through to all up to the end of the last addend. Fun fact, it will be a little obvious when your students give you 999 because you have no choice but to give them 000. It depends how you'll make an excuse though. You can try this trick as much number of digits you like. Same rule applies, just discover it. So what are you waiting for? Try it with your friends and families now. If you have some questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment box below. Bye!